Hello everybody, this is Chef Harpal and I'm here with some great barbecue recipes. Yes, and barbecue is something which we all love, especially vegetarian. Non-veg, of course, it's given that everybody likes, but vegetarian, there's always a challenge to make at home. Okay, that's always a challenge to make at home. That's why I'm doing simple steps so that you can make at home. And I'm going to make Tandoori Babycorn. Now, babycorn is something which is a small little corn here. Okay, now this either you get in cans or you get raw. When you get raw, you need to buy them and then blanch them. Blanch as in boil them in hot water with little turmeric and salt, and that's what I've done. So I always prefer, especially when you have cauliflower, when you have baby corn, things like this, I prefer to boil with little turmeric and salt, and that's what I've done. So if it is canned, what you need to do? You need to take it out, wash it with hot water, and then keep it aside and maybe boil it with little turmeric. Okay, for just about some time. That's where I would say blanching would help, because you need to get a brilliant color. The end product is actually beautiful. Next step, what we need to do is to make a tandoori masala. You need some oil or plain butter, a little bit of oil, butter. You can directly add butter also. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of butter, to which you need to add about half teaspoon of carom seeds, okay, now to this I'll add about 2 tablespoons of ground flour, which is besan. Actually, I'll tell you, you can actually do this mixture in little quantities and keep it. Whenever you want to do barbecue, you can use it. This does not spoil so easily. So you can saute this and keep it in the refrigerator. Saute this for about 2 minutes on absolutely slow flame. So as you start getting the nutty flavor, you see that the ground flour is ready. Initially it will puff up and then it will settle down. And I need to add about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric in this. Okay, and now remove it. Close the induction, remove it. This is brilliant. Okay, now this is done. Next step, I'll take a bowl. Now to this mixture, let's add a few things. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, just to get that little punch. Okay, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, some bit of kasuri methi, so you can crush it, so about a teaspoon of kasuri methi, and salt to taste. Sing, jump, dance, namak shamak tana tana. Aha. Do this at home and be careful with salt. Don't add excess, just the right quantity of salt. That's very important. Okay, now this is all done. Next step, I'm going to add some yogurt, half a cup. People living internationally keep asking me, Chef, what kind of yogurt we need to use. If you want to use thick one, you can buy the Greek yogurt, and then you don't have to add half cup. You can add a little less, and first mix it up and see, and then figure it out. Okay. To this, I'm going to add mustard oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. That's the actual color, okay, and the flavor. This is what enhances the whole blend. Now, add baby corn. Okay, ensure that you add little thick ones so that they hold on very well. Don't add the tiny ones. Mix it up well. Now this is done, half an hour max, that's what you need to keep, and then put it inside an oven, 220 for about 8 to 10 minutes, okay, not more than that. 8 minutes is good enough. If you feel your oven is a little slow, a smaller one needs a little more time, anywhere between 6, 8, 10 minutes, okay. Larger oven in a tandoor, not beyond 6 minutes, okay. In an oven regular like the one I have, maximum 8 minutes, not beyond that. I need to rest this for half an hour now. So I'm all set now to put my Tandoori Babycorn in the oven. Professionals can skewer it and put it in a tandoor to do it the way it is done, okay. You can do it at home in a barbecue, okay, open barbecue, split grill if you have. You can do it in an oven, you can do it in an OTG, yes, and you can do it in a frying pan. These are all things you can do. Now, it's my honest request, every time I travel international, I see all barbecue, especially Indian barbecue, with so much of red color, green color. Please, for heaven's sake, I mean, if you're dining out, go and tell the chef inside not to use red color, because every time I hear from the chefs that chef, if you don't add color, people don't like it. I mean, come on, you can't eat color. I'm sorry, for barbecue you can't. You need to keep it natural, and you need to understand how to brighten up a barbecue the way I'm giving you simple tips, okay? And I'm ready now. And what you need to do is brush up with oil, not with butter, okay? It's going to burn. So no butter down. Butter is only when you serve. I give you two options to do things. One is take a sauté stick skewer like this. Carefully skewer it. It's a little tricky because it might break, okay? It's very tricky. This is what I've done. One skewer is ready. The next thing is you can either directly put it in the tray directly as it is. So you need to just put them up straight. The marinade on top, and after putting the marinade on top, put it back in the oven. Like I said, about 8 minutes. You can check, you get a nice little color, take it out, and it's ready to serve. And now this goes inside the oven. (220°), 8 minutes. Can go a minute or two up or down depending on your oven, okay? So after about 8 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check. Wow, there you see the top layer is nicely dried up and it's very well done. So if you want to color it more, you can always add another 2 to 3 minutes maximum, not beyond that. This is fair enough for me. I'm going to take it out and plate the Tandoori Babycorns in my plate, okay? So this is ready for plating. I got my plate in here, okay? Take the babycorn. There you go, and very important, brushing it with butter. That's very important. Little bit of chaat masala, not much, okay, sprinkle on top. A mint sprig, just to do little justice. Wherever you have kebabs, you generally do this. Tandoori Babycorn, okay. This is how it is done. Brilliant. You can do it at your home now, restaurant style, just for you.